Understanding Crunch the Numbers, an easy guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, crunch the numbers. This is a common expression you might encounter in everyday conversations, especially in business or academic contexts. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary, let's get started. Crunch the numbers is an idiom that means to perform extensive calculations or detailed analysis of data. When someone says they need to crunch the numbers, they're usually indicating that they need to spend time examining and processing numerical data to make a decision or reach a conclusion. This phrase often implies a rigorous, thorough process, rather than a quick glance at figures. The origin of crunch the numbers isn't crystal clear, but it's widely believed to have emerged from the business and finance world. The word crunch, in this context, might be a metaphor for working hard, similar to how one might crunch hard food with their teeth. Over time, this expression has transcended its business roots and is now used in various contexts where data analysis is involved. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Our team needs to crunch the numbers before we can decide on the budget for next year. 2. I'm going to crunch the numbers tonight and see if we can afford to take a vacation this summer. 3. The researchers spent weeks crunching the numbers to ensure the accuracy of their report. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to denote careful and detailed analysis of numerical data. When using crunch the numbers, remember, it is typically used in contexts involving numerical data analysis. Avoid using it in situations unrelated to data or numbers. This idiom is mostly used in formal or semi-formal contexts. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of crunch the numbers. Idioms like this can add color and precision to your English, especially in professional settings. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to crunch some numbers in your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.